Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jira integration for sales follow-up tasks step by step clearly. To activate Jira integration for sales follow-up tasks, start by logging into your Jira account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Apps menu located on the left sidebar. Click on Apps to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Find New Apps. In the search bar, type Sales Follow-up to locate the integration. Review the search results to find the relevant integration that suits your sales process. Click on the desired integration to view more details. On the integration page, click the Install button to begin the installation process. After installation, navigate to the Manage Apps section in the Apps menu. Locate the newly installed integration in the list of apps. Click on the integration to access its settings. Follow the prompts to configure the integration according to your sales workflow. Set up necessary permissions to allow access to your sales data. Once configuration is complete, save your settings. To test the integration, create a new sales follow-up task. Check if the task syncs properly with your Jira projects. If you encounter any issues, refer to the integration's documentation for troubleshooting. After confirming everything works, you're ready to use Jira for your sales follow-up tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.